Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download the latest version of the LuckyPatcher app. So to download the LuckyPatcher app, kindly go to your phone browser, go to the search bar, LuckyPatcher APK download. So after typing LuckyPatcher APK download, so here you can see the official website of the LuckyPatcher. Click it here. Scroll down and select this, click the download LuckyPatcher button here. Click download the LuckyPatcher installer, and so here you can see. So now you can see the download is done, and now let's install the LuckyPatcher app. So after installing your LuckyPatcher, you can proceed to open the app. So now let me show you how you can actually bypass some in-app purchases or remove license verification on your Android apps or game. So now let's say I'm trying to remove the in-app purchase for this particular app. So what you need to do is click on the app which you want to modify and come to the menu of patches here. Go to the menu of patch, and here you can see APK with multi-patch, APK without license verification. Here you can modify any license verification in your Android app or game, and here you can remove any Google ADS. With the APK without Google ADS, you can remove the Google ADS in your Android application or game. And here where we have the APK reboot for in-app and LVL emulation, you can actually bypass in-app purchases for your Android app. Let's click this one, and here you can update patch in already patch application. You can support patch for in-app emulation. Select when trying to modify any in-app purchase in your Android app. Rebuild the app. So after rebuilding the app, you will need to uninstall the previous version of your app. Then after the modification is complete, you can now install the modified version of the app. So after installing the modified version of your app, then the in-app purchase will be bypassed for that particular app. Let's say you're trying to clone a app. Here you can resign the test signature of that particular app which you've cloned already. And here you have the APK with change permission and activity. You can actually change a particular permission in your Android app or game with this particular function. So that's all we have here in the menu of patches. Now let's go to the tools area. You can back up the previous version of the app before you proceed to modify any of the app setting here. So let's say you encounter an error during the process of modifying your app. Here you can come back and restore the backed up file for the particular app. So if you have any question, kindly drop your question under the comment section here. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly do so now. Thank you for watching.